morning, my sparkling stars. How are all of you today? I hope you have been listening to Mama and Papa. They have been working very hard with you. They've been teaching you in and out. So, today we are going to talk about sounds. That day we did A, B, C and D sounds. Today we will do E. What is E? What does it say? E says E. And I've got so many things on my table which begin with E, like elephant, engine, engine, ear. Similarly, F. Now F says fur. So, fish, frog, flower. What does G say? G says G. G says G. Glass, gun. That's you fire with a gun. Then you have H. What does H say? H says her. Horse, house. Now we'll revise from A to H. A says A. That's a long A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E. A says A. E says E. Small E. F says F. G says G. H. H. Now, today when you are done with your activities, you are going to pick up things in your house which begin with sounds of A, B, K, D, E, F, G and H, and Auntie is going to see it on WhatsApp. Then children, I had told you the story, to hear the story of Goldilocks and the three bears. Now what was Goldilocks doing? She was playing outside in the garden, and when she saw the butterfly, she began to run. So when we run fast, we are fast. And when she entered the house of the three bears, then she was slow. She quietly entered because the house was not hers and she did not know whose house it is. So, we are going to discuss the concept today of fast and slow. Then, when she was outside, it was out. When she went inside the house, it is in. Like Auntie has this box. Now, this is a whistle which is out. But Auntie will put it in. Now, this is inside. So, out, in, fast, slow. And then when she saw that table there, it had bowls of porridge, hot porridge and cold porridge. Hot, it's hot, garam. Cold is thanda. Ice cream is cold. Sometimes Mama is cooking, so the food is hot. So today we have discussed phonics, and those are the sounds of A, the alphabets from A to H, and the concept in, out, fast, slow, hot, cold. Okay children, bye. Enjoy your day with your loads of fun activities.